Welcome! If you're ready to give your Roblox app a fresh, bright look on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable the light theme on the Roblox app using the latest update. Whether you're tired of the dark interface or just want to change, these steps will help you switch to a lighter, more vibrant experience in just a few moments. First, open up the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your account settings. Once you're inside, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find and click on the one labeled More. It's usually represented by 3 dots. After clicking More, a menu will appear with several options. From here, select Settings. This is where you can customize different aspects of your Roblox account. In the Settings menu, click on Account Info. This section contains all your main account details, including your display name, email, and, most importantly for today, your theme preferences. Now, scroll down the Account Info page until you find the Theme option. You'll see a drop-down menu here. Click on it, and you'll be given 2 choices, Dark and Light. To enable the Light theme, simply select Light from the list. Once you've chosen Light, your Roblox app will instantly switch to a brighter, cleaner look. There's no need to restart the app. Your new theme is applied right away, making your gaming experience feel fresh and easy on the eyes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the light theme on the Roblox app for PC. Enjoy exploring your favorite games with a whole new look. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might want to brighten up their Roblox experience too. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming!